All right, let's see what else we got. Put up another one for you, and then we could work on word problems. So how about this? 4.5 times 2 1/10. All right. Is your name Esler? Esler? Am I saying that right? Okay. So this problem right here is for you, the word problem. If you have any issues reading it, it's a little blurry, just let me know.
Is this division or multiplication?
You tell me, what's going on with this? She has 80 crayons total, right? What are we trying to figure out?
80 divided by 8.
Okay.
8 equals 10.
So she needs 10 crayon boxes to fit all her crayons? I think you're right. So we can go on to the next one for you.
Three pi. What? 3 pi of the 10 divided by 3 divided by 120.
Still working on yours, Jaden?
I don't like this thingy. Hello. Okay.
Are you still working on your problem?
Yes.
Okay. Let me know if you get stuck or if you need any help.
So if we do division like 0 divided by 0, is it going to be like 0?
If you divide 0 by 0?
Yes.
Put this down, make sure. If you do this, that's what you're trying to figure out, right?
Yeah.
So you actually can't do this. You can't divide 0 by 0. The answer that you get is called
0.
undefined. No, it's not 0. If you try to divide anything by 0, you get something like that. But if you divide 0 by anything else, like 0 by 1 or 0 by 100, you're still going to get 0.
I go like 0 divided by 0.
That one's, yeah, that one's weird when you just have 0 divided by 0. That's just a weird case in math where you don't get a real answer. It's not 0.
Okay.
That's a special case.
I'll just cross that one out. Daddy, yeah, 2 times.
But you don't have to divide 0 by 0 for this word problem that I put up.
2 divided by 1 equals. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, 2 divided by 1 equals.
While you're working on that, I'm going to go over this one with Jaden. So we can turn these into fractions, right? 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So that first one would be 9 over 2. Same thing here. 10 times 2 is 20 plus 1, 21 over 10.
She needs 12.
So how many paper is that your answer for this one down here? 12? So we can come back to that one in a second. I'm gonna just leave this one for Jaden and then we'll work on yours.
Wait, what? Oh. I have to clear all my drawings. The answer is gonna be.
Whoa, my drawing's all funny. Is that what you said, 12? Let's go through this one. Hey, okay, I see your answer over there. So she has 3 piles of clean white papers stacked in the corner, right? She wants to put all those papers in paper envelopes, and each envelope can hold 10 papers each. And how many envelopes does she need if she has 120 clean white papers? So does the amount of piles that she have in the corner of her room matter at all?
No.
It doesn't matter, right? That's just extra information that's there. It's trying to confuse you. Because all we care about is how many envelopes does she need, and we know that each envelope can hold 10, and she's got 120. So we just need to say 120 divided by 10, and that equals 12. So good job, you got it right.
I did?
Yeah, you did.
Wow.
Look at you, you're good at word problems.
Unexpected.
You're throwing me off with the 0 divided by 0, but you got the right answer in the end.
I was about to get 120.
All right, I'll get you another word problem here.
It's not the second.
All right, while you work on that, I'm going to continue with Jaden.
Side.
So we got 21 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18.
No.
Just get rid of this one.
I don't get this. I don't get this.
The word problem?
Yeah.
Let's go over it.
Because it only says the numbers are 7. Wait, what? Oh.
Did you find something extra to use?
No.
Let's see. So it's There was a stack, 700 sheets of used paper.
On a clear.
So this was just talking about the last problem. So all of the paper that she just put in envelopes are packed away, right? So besides all of the 3 piles of the white paper, she has 700 sheets of used paper. So she wrote on it or she did something with it, right? And she wants to put all the used paper into boxes for recycling. And every box can contain 100 sheets of paper. So how many boxes does she need? That's what we're trying to find out.
So what should I say? Should I just say 100 divided by 700?
Well, let's think about it. We want to find out how many boxes, right? And all the paper is going into the box, right? So we can say she's got the 700 sheets of paper. So 700 paper. We can say that every box, so for every box, there's 100 sheets of paper, right? So I'll just say for every one box, that can hold 100 paper.
So like what should I do for like division like thingy?
Have you learned about units yet? Like if something has like 2 inches or 2 feet or something like that, or you haven't covered that?
I only covered the one that says, yeah, I learned about that too.
Okay, you've learned about that. So this is one way you can think about it, is if you put units on it, like she's got 700 sheets of paper, and we want to find out how many boxes she needs. This one tells you every box, every one box can hold 100 paper. We can write it like that. We can say 700 paper. And then one box for 100 paper. Because essentially you're dividing 700
So
over
700
100, right?
divided by 100.
Because the papers can cross out.
But out with the zeros.
Well, this is the same. Have you seen it like this? Get a new color.
Okay, so that's gonna be
100 into 700.
I never seen that before.
You've never seen this symbol?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So we'll rewrite that.
Can you?
As 700 divided by 100.
700 divided by 100 equals 7.
Yep. So she needs 7 boxes for all of her used sheets of paper.
Wow.
What if we did it the other way around? What if it was 100 divided by 700?
100 divided by 700.
Mm-hmm.
100 divided by 700 is gonna be 7.
That's what you just got for 700 divided by 100, right?
1 divided by 7 equals. Wait.
If you had 100 divided by 700, because those were the 2 ways you were thinking, right? It was either one of those 2.
Divided by 700. What's 1 divided by 7?
It gets you a fraction. Have you learned about fractions yet?
No.
No? Okay. So fractions are in between whole numbers. So if you think of a pizza, have you had pizza before? Yeah?
Oh, I know fractions. A
You know
little bit.
fractions. A little bit. Okay. So if we had a whole pizza and then someone came in and had 4 of the slices, right? And you
How
only
do
had
you draw
4 slices left. Yeah, so you drew it. That would mean that you only had 4 slices out of 8.